In February of 2023, I was at 208 pounds and had high cholesterol, high blood pressure and lots of belly fat. I had decided to change all of that and lose some weight. Fast forward to February of 2024, I was at 155 pounds and I lost 53 pounds. I went to my annual physical examination and the doctor was amazed with the results. Not only did I look different, but all my health test results came back great. During this period, I researched and experimented about the science of weight or fat loss, and I would like to share everything I did, and I will try to make it as simple as possible. Also, before starting, be sure to talk to your doctor, especially if you have health concerns or dietary restrictions. First, determine your caloric requirements. I use this website, and it will need your age, weight, height, and activity levels, and press calculate. Once it shows the maintenance calories, subtract 400 to 500 calories. To demonstrate this, we will create a hypothetical person, a 27-year-old male, 6 feet in height, weighing in at 210 pounds. This site will show this person will need 2,703 calories. By subtracting 500, this person will consume 2,203 calories every day. Second, food weighing scale and body weighing scale will be your best friends. Use the body weighing scale first thing in the morning to check your weight every day and see how you are progressing. The food weighing scale will be used to measure the weight of the food you are taking. Third, calorie tracking apps. I believe the most popular app right now is MyFitnessPal. However, there are tons of calorie tracking apps, and feel free to experiment to see which ones you will like. Fourth, start with simple diets. I had seen people go for fad diets, and they weren't able to sustain those kinds of diet, and they eventually give up and go back to their old ways. I personally use the If It Fits Your Macro diet or IFM diet, because it's very simple, and it is less restrictive when it comes to food choices. For example, my usual macronutrient ratio is 50% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 20% fat. Bulk of my diet revolves around vegetables, quinoa, and meats like chicken, and if I have some calories left, I will add some ice cream, cereal or chocolate bar. So you can still lose fat and enjoy eating ice cream and chocolate bar as long as everything is in moderation and you keep an eye on your caloric intake. Fifth, once you go on a caloric deficit, you will also lose some muscle. To lessen the effects of muscle loss, lifting weights and consuming ample amounts of protein will definitely help. 6. Cardio exercises. Based from my experience, cardio positively accelerated my fat loss. Some people likes to use treadmill or stationary bikes on gyms for their cardio exercise. For me, I enjoy playing sports, and that is my main cardio exercise. To sum up, determine how many calories you need to consume. Second, monitor your body weight first thing in the morning, and use the food weighing scale to measure the portions of the foods or drinks you will be eating or drinking. Third, use calorie tracking apps. Fourth, start with simple diets. Fifth, weight lifting and protein to lessen the effects of muscle loss during caloric deficit. 6. Cardio exercises can positively accelerate fat loss. I will post some more videos that will dive into more details regarding this. See you and bye for now.